Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your theme folder and locating single, PHP or content templates. Edit the file where post content ends and before the footer starts. Insert Get Previous Post Link and Get Next Post Link calls to generate links automatically. Wrap each link in a nav element with role equals navigation and area label equals post navigation for accessibility. Save changes and refresh a single post to confirm links appear. Keep a child theme active to avoid losing changes during theme updates. Add this snippet where navigation should appear. Get previous post link, %link, left arrow %title, then get next post link, %link, %title, right arrow. Use full HTML wrappers for layout control. Place the snippet in a template file or create a helper function in Functions, PHP, and call it from templates. Test edge cases where there is no previous or next post to confirm behavior. Use conditional checks to hide empty links and avoid broken markup on first or last posts. Add CSS for spacing and readability, for example. PostNav a padding 10px 16px, margin 8px, display inline block. Use max width values like 720px for nav containers to fit content on mobile devices. Provide focus styles to ensure keyboard users can see active links. If you prefer no code, install a plugin that adds prev and next buttons and configure labels in its settings. Finally, test on desktop and mobile, and confirm screen reader announcements describe link destinations clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.